Yolande. Today's video is as per your request on Instagram. We are doing a clean with me video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stripping the bedding and dusting off my sheet so I can put up the bedding. You have to fluff your pillows when you're placing them back on the bed. Here I'm wiping down the side table, which I cannot wait to replace, with Mr. Sheen, which I got from Makro, and I'm using a micro fiber cloth. And I'm just wiping it down because there's a lot of dust that has accumulated. You will be seeing me use this throughout the video because there's a lot of dust that has accumulated throughout the house. Over here, I repeat the exact same process that I've just done on the previous side of the bed. For the toilet, I put in the Harpic toilet cleaner plus Domestos, and I let it sit for a few minutes before going in with the toilet brush. So here, once again, I'll be using the Mr. Sheen cleaner to wipe the mirror, the countertop, and all surfaces to remove any residue that has been building up for the week. I am changing the makeup brushes from this clear glass into the cement vase, multi-purpose vase that I did in a DIY. I'll link it up here. You can check it out. Do you also do this with your toothpaste? Like push all the paste to the top so that it's easier when you brush? Let me know. Comment down below. I have a bad habit of leaving my jewelry on the countertop. My poor husband. We currently don't have, obviously, a his and hers sink, so he has to duck and dive all my jewelry pieces. I need to do better. And pack them up after every usage. I'm also deep cleaning the guest bathroom. It needs some serious TLC. I'll be putting some domestos on the shower floor. I'll be adding the shower cleaner also on the shower doors. And my domestos and Harpic in the toilet. It gives a very nice, fresh and clean smell afterwards. And also just, there's nothing wrong with giving your toilet, extra TLC. Here's a tip that you know or may not know. Pull out that newspaper and use it to clean your mirrors, ladies and gents. So what I sprayed on here is the Mr. Sheen, because it's a multi-purpose cleaner. And I pulled out a newspaper, ruffled it, and then wiped the mirror. It cleans it quickly. It doesn't leave any streak marks. Comment down below if you clean your mirrors like this also. The best way to clean your shower floor is to honestly just get down there and get your hands dirty. Scrub, scrub, scrub. I am now spraying the shower cleaner and I'm going to scrub the shower doors. After that, I'll rinse and then wipe it down and it'll be sparkly clean and fresh. And here is the guest bedroom. There's not much to show you here. All I can say is it's under serious construction, and I promise to show you the entire process of the before and after. Now welcome to my sitting room. Once a week, what I do when I clean, here's another cleaning tip, dust off your couches, okay? They tend to carry much buildup, and you'll be surprised at how much buildup you will find under your couch beds. I don't have a vacuum cleaner, but if you do, I suggest you definitely use a vacuum cleaner for this step, as it will deep clean your couch. Another clean tip is get yourself these couch armrests. I did make them on my channel. I will put the link of it down in this description below for you to make your own set. These have helped so much in limiting the amount of stains and food and drinks spilling onto the couch. Yes, it's a glass countertop pallet table, and yes, it has wheels. Now I'm just wiping down all surfaces in this area of the house. We are now in the kitchen and clearing all the clean dishes and placing them back in their rightful places within the kitchen cupboards. Dishes have been washed and rinsed and put on the dish rack. Now I'm wiping down all surfaces along with the walls, as when you cook, food does splatter. So I'm wiping down the surfaces with Domestos and Sunlight Liquid. If you watch my pantry organization video, yes, I have not purchased a bin. But hey, let's look at the positive. I'm recycling, hey? The entire house has been swept at this point, and I've just finished mopping all the other parts of the house. Now I'm mopping the kitchen, then we are done. That was nerve-wracking. You finally got to visit me in my home, and I'm looking forward to more visits from you, as you will be part of my renovations that will be taking place. But until then, follow your girl on Instagram at yolande_ntsele, on Facebook at yolande.ntsele. Till next week, peace.